Hey everyone, on today's video we're going to be doing some exhaust upgrades on my GX470. So, as you may have seen in some of my previous videos, I have the Doug Thoroughly long tube headers. And while they sound great, there's definitely a bit of a drone. And the reason is I have an aftermarket Magnaflow muffler. That's what came on the GX when I bought it. And so there's a drone at around 2000 RPM. So I'll put in a clip of what that sounds like. And 2000 RPM is right around 65, 70 miles an hour. So going on road trips, it kind of sucks. Today we're gonna fix this, and we're gonna do that by putting in a resonator. The exhaust hangers were also a little bit stretched out and not in a great position, so the exhaust shop will also be fixing this when they install the new resonator for me. So I went to Naperville Exhaust Works. This is it, and this is where the Lexus is getting some exhaust work done. Drone is finally going to go away. Lexus is here at Naperville Exhaust Works getting the new exhaust. I'm getting this new resonator put in. It's going to go right here after the Y pipe for the second muffler, and this is going to really quiet down the drone that I was getting earlier. We are underneath the GX. So the Y pipe is here, it comes out. Here is the new resonator. So this bracket was welded on and fits a lot better than before. It goes back here, and then here's the rear muffler. And this exhaust hanger back there is not as stretched out as it was before. It's still a little bit, but not as bad. And then this bracket for this welded hanger is improved and in a better position. So yeah, I'm very happy with the work they did. Here's an interior sound clip. So I got a new resonator installed on my GX to quiet it down because I had quite a bad drone. I'll show you some clips from some previous at around 2000 RPM. And so here, you can notice I'm on the on-ramp and it is much quieter. When you get on the gas, it is still a little bit throaty and sounds like it is a V8. But yeah, this is so much nicer. And like at 70 miles an hour, I was at like 2000 to 2200 RPM, and it was so annoying on road trips. So this is just going to make it such a more pleasant place to be, and for those long road trips, which is exactly what I built this Lexus for. This is going to be perfect. If you found this video useful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time for more GX content.